Greetings all. I wanted to show you this small under bed Marx layout that I've just gotten together over these past few days. Right now it's small. I'm mainly a Lionel collector, so don't really have a whole lot of Marx stuff. But first Marx engine that I've actually gotten is a number 490 at 040, runs great. New York Central tender, Erie flat. Pacemaker box car. There's a Santa Fe. Excuse the tags. That's how new this stuff is. Santa Fe cattle car, Santa Fe box car, and a pacemaker caboose back there. I just have it on some Menards O-scale track, and I picked up this small Marx transformer. It's almost in perfect condition for its age. But yeah, I thought I'd show you this little setup I have.